it's been a minute since I've made a YouTube video, but we're back at it, and today we're gonna be finding out how hard or how easy it is to learn how to weld. Today we're gonna be welding these two parts together. We're gonna see how well it is, and what we're gonna be using I will put in the description down below. I'll link everything what I bought off of Amazon. Everything's off of Amazon nowadays. Why not just go off the Amazon basics? And I got the Amazon Yes Welder, I got the Yes Welder helmet, and I got the gloves. You know, I just got the 3-for-1. Might as well. And we're gonna see is it easy to weld these two things together or is it hard? And I'm gonna take you guys along this journey with me because you know I haven't made content in a while, and I've been wanting to learn how to weld. And might as well create content on welding, you know. But yeah, let's get to it. Right now we're going to Walmart because we don't want these rolling around meanwhile we weld. We want them kind of sturdy. We don't want nothing getting shocked either, so we kind of want some stands. That's what I'm going to Walmart for right now. So let's get to it, boy. So here's what we got. We got a box from Walmart. We cut holes into it, right? But we made sure it was like straight down. So when we did it, you had this hole equal on the other side, right? And then right here, I was gonna put some stands, like right here, little stands, but I felt like cardboard was flimsy and could just lean. So what I did was I grabbed my non-sponsored Milwaukee Level, and we got this, not flimsy, but it'll do. And right here, it's where we're gonna weld. And yeah, this is our setup. I could not find no stands at Walmart, so this is our mechanism. If you're a pro welder, please comment down below if this is okay or if they have special like stands for something like this, a small job like this. But yeah, this is what we're gonna do. Here's our equipment, and let's get to it. We'll unclean the blader and let me show you what we got. So here's the welder. I was putting this on, by the way, guys, and this snapped on me. So I don't know how to pull this out. I'm gonna look up a video right now. So if you're a pro welder, please comment down below what's the best way to do this. Okay, so here we are 1 hour after I messed up the wire. So my trick was, I'm not gonna lie, I had to lose a couple of feet of wire. So now, with these parts out, because I had to take these out for it to come out. So look, I'm gonna try to show you. Now we can feed this in there. Right now, I'm at flux. I think that's what this is. I know it's called MIG welding. I don't know why it's no flux, but here's the setup. So I have the 0.30 wire, and then I have to figure out how much it's gonna go in per like minute and stuff like that. I want you guys to see how dark it's gonna be for me. Don't mind the slides, but that's how dark it is going to be for me. I just finished up this weld, so it's kind of hot. I'm at like a 150 or 140. So here's what I learned. I would need, this box idea is the right idea. The wrong idea about this though is that it's cardboard and it's flammable. So I started noticing that, I mean, when the sparks would fly out, it was catching like fire almost right there. You can kind of see it. And my welds, I mean, for a beginner, like I said, I'm still pretty new to this, but for the most part, I mean, it's on there. I know for a fact it's on there because I took up the level, and we'll look inside right now. But let's get to it. Let's look inside, see how it is, see the penetration, see what I did wrong, what I can do right. Alright guys, so after wire brushing, I do not have a grinder, but we wire brushed it. We tried to clean it up as much as we could. And so here was my first issue. I started right here at the start of this right here. So my first issue was that the weld itself was not sticking onto the metal, and that's because I had it on its lowest setting. So here, we started going, and I just did the little spots, like just spot, 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 right? Back to where we're at. And then I wanted to start blending them in, and right here you can see I got a perfect blend. Like I guess it was nice here, where it's not too high and bubbly, and it kind of went down with the metal. Looks really nice. I think in here it looks really good. There's not a lot of spots where I don't see penetration. Like right there, it looks nice and easy, nice and fully penetrating. And I mean, I already slapped the metal. Here, what up? I already slapped it, so this right here, I banged it on the floor, and the weld is really strong. I think it came out really nice. So the settings I went with on the helmet, I went with the high sensitivity version, and then like kind of at the middle delay. So as I was going at it, it wasn't it was perfect. I mean, it wasn't too dark, and the delay was there. It did flicker a little bit because like this is my first time. I got scared, and as I would like stop shooting with it, I would let go and it would flicker, just because the beam wasn't hitting the lens. But here's the setup. So the feed was nice. I had no issues at all with the feed. I didn't go into any special settings for it. I just went at it. Here's the part that you clamp onto. I'm not gonna touch that. Meanwhile, this machine is on because I'm scared I would get electrocuted. But this right here, this is the setting that I was hitting those. I was connecting the beads that I was just continuing on the pipe. So I was just going in like this, continuing it and continuing to shoot. And then I was just keeping up with the temperature, making sure everything was kind of like at a consistent temperature. And this tool is a really great tool to have. The wire brush cleaned it up, and here's the result. I mean, it's not perfect. I know I'll get there someday, but hope you guys enjoy. Please comment down below what I might be doing wrong. I already know I have to get a box, like a metal kind of box, where this isn't catching any heat at all. So I know there's equipment for it. I didn't know how I should mount this on. So I did that cardboard thing like I was telling you guys. But overall, I'm gonna rate myself a nice 6 out of 10. I think this part, I mean, I'm just looking at this part. I like the way it came out. It looks consistent. It doesn't have a lot of popping. And it sounded great. It felt great. It feels really strong. Like I said, I hit it where this part bent, but this part didn't come off. The welds were really strong. And I think just to begin, I was scared, but as I just kept going and going and going, I think it got easier and I felt more comfortable coming at this. But I think that's it for today's video. If you guys have any recommendations, comments, comment down below. Like the video if you liked it. If you didn't like it, let me know what I can do in the next video so that you do like it. And you can tell where it looks, and I had good penetration, and I had consistency right here, even right here in this section right here. But then there's a lot of parts where there's actually cavities. But I think overall, like I said, a 6 out of 10. And just so you guys don't think I'm lying to you, we're gonna whack it again. Cause I already did, but I didn't record it. We're gonna whack it to see if these welds are even good. Oh yeah, and there you go. Really enjoyed it. I think I would love to do this again. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Please hit that subscribe button if you like more of this content, or comment down below what you would like to see next. That's it for today's video, guys. Peace out. Wait up.